Hello students, today we'll be tackling simple linear equations for BECE and SHS examination. So let's take a simple example of a linear equation. 2x minus 4 is equals to 10. So if you look at this equation, you see that there are two like terms. The like term with a number and a variable, and another like term with a number without a variable. So to solve this equation, we need to make all the like terms in opposite of the equations. So the numbers with variable should be at one opposite of the equation, and those without the variable in other side of the equation. So now let's group like terms. So 2x should be equals to, so in this equation we can only have only 2x, so we are going to use only 2x as the other side of the equation. So now we are sending the negative 4 across the equation, that's the equal sign. Then when it is moving across the sign, the equation, then the operation minus has to change to positive, that's plus. So now we have 10 plus 4. So now we have 2x, which is equals to, so 10 plus 4 will give us 14. So now we have able to group all the like terms in both opposite sides of the equation. Now we are looking for x, so we divide 2x by 2 and then 14 by 2. Anything we do at each opposite of the equation, we are going to do the other side of the equation same. So that's why we are dividing both sides of the equation by 2. So 2 will cancel 2, which means we have x to be equals to 14 divided by 2, we have 7. So therefore our answer to the equation is x is equals to 7. Let's take another example and look at it. So 3x plus 6 is equals to 12. Let's look at this equation, and in this equation we can also see two like terms, the like term with a variable and the like term without a variable. So we are going to group them on opposite sides. Okay, 3x is equals to 12. So now the positive 6, which is moving across the equal sign, now becomes a negative, as we earlier said on the other equation where the minus 4 becomes a positive 4. Now the positive 6 becomes a negative 6, so minus 6. So 3x should be equals to 12 minus 6, we have what? 6. And we said that when we read at this stage, anything that we do at the opposite side of the equation must be done to the other side of the equation. So we divide here by 3 and we divide here by 3. So 3 will cancel 3. Now we're left with what? X. So x will be equals to what? 3 divided by 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. So our answer to the question is x is equals to 2. If you understood this simple linear equation well, then drop an answer to this question in the comment section for me. So 3a minus 6 is equals to 15. Drop your answer in the comment section for review.